Our next guest, though, says, hey, you know what? That's just a brief pause, and the rally will resume after Labor Day, largely driven by spending on things like AI. Let's bring in Dan Ives, Wedbush Securities Analyst. Dan, always good to have you. You continue to be bullish. I mean, I see a note here. You say AI is a 1995 moment happening before our eyes. What does that mean?
I mean, it's star of the internet, 1995, but it's not 1999, 2000. I think it's the biggest transformational tech trend we've seen in 30 years, which is why, I think you've seen some of these tech stocks pull back, but I believe we're right now on the midst of just a transformational tidal wave of spending that we believe could be 10% of budgets going into next year. That's why I thought it's a green light to own tech despite some white knuckles.
All right, but the tidal wave of spending, to the extent that the market's been able to suss it out, seems to be focused on a handful of stocks led by NVIDIA. What's your take in terms of how that wave of spending is going to actually impact tech more broadly?
Yeah, and David, to that point, I think it's really about the second, third, fourth derivative plays. I mean, we're seeing use cases now for AI that are up 4 or 5x, even in the last few months. And I think this is just the drum roll to what's really going to be just an inflection point of growth as we go into later this year into next year. You look at names like Microsoft, you look at names like Google, MongoDB, I think Palantir is a core AI play as well. I think this is going to be led by software and chips. And I think next week when we hear from Jensen and NVIDIA, that's just going to be another reaffirmation of what we're seeing from our checks across the U.S. and especially Asia.
Use case up 4 to 5x. What does that mean?
That basically means if I look at use cases now that we're looking for AI, we're looking right now at use cases that are in the 50, 60, 70. If I go back, even call it a few months ago, we're looking at probably 10, 12, 15 use cases across finance, marketing, healthcare, and life sciences. That's really what's happening. I mean, you had the initial buying. Now enterprises, consumers, every enterprise that we talk to, I'd say 70, 80% of their time is focused on what are the AI use cases, which is why I believe some of these knee-jerk reactions off the Microsoft print, off some of the other, I like the way I'm seeing it, this is really halftime of the Super Bowl.
Hey, Dan, part of your note this morning argues that all the worries about China aren't going to affect, say, the trajectory of, say, iPhone sales at Apple. How can that be?
Yeah, I mean, I think the big thing with China for Apple, and that's the hearts and lungs, obviously, of the growth story, we believe iPhone units are actually going to be up. When we look at iPhone 15 over 14, we're not seeing any sort of downticks in the channel going into this mid-September launch. I think the important thing to hear is you have about 100 million iPhones in China that haven't upgraded in 4+ years. So there's pent-up demand, and I think they're gaining share. I'm not saying it's rosy and rainbows from a macro, but they are gaining share. We think about 300 bips of market share, which is why Cupertino continues to play chess while others play checkers. I think iPhone 15 is going to be, in my opinion, really a jaw dropper relative to expectations for right now what the street has for iPhone going into next year.